In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the current time in Google Sheets with a keyboard shortcut. If you track tasks, log calls, or just need a quick timestamp, there's a fast, reliable way to drop the current time into a cell without typing it out. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along instantly. First, open your Google Sheets document in your browser. Make sure you're looking at the exact sheet and tab where you want to record the time. Give the page a second to fully load so your keyboard shortcuts are recognized. You don't need any add-ons or special settings for this, just the sheet open and ready. Next, click on the cell where you want the time to appear. The cell you click becomes the active cell, and that's the one that will receive the timestamp. If you're typing in a cell already, press Enter or click to move your cursor so the cell is selected but not in edit mode. You'll notice a bold outline around it when it's active. Now for the shortcut itself. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and the semicolon key together. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and the semicolon key together. Press them at the same time. Think of it as a quick chord. If your keyboard layout is different, remember you're aiming for the semicolon character, and you still need the Shift key in the combination. Also make sure your browser window with Google Sheets is in focus. If another app is active, the shortcut won't reach Sheets. As soon as you press that shortcut, the current time is inserted into the selected cell. It will appear in your Sheet's default time format, which follows your locale and spreadsheet settings. What's important to know is that this is a static value. It captures the time at the exact moment you press the keys and won't update automatically later. That's perfect for logs and records where you need a fixed timestamp. If you try the shortcut and nothing appears, quickly check that you're not in the middle of editing a different cell and that no browser extension is intercepting the keystroke. Tapping ESC once and then trying the shortcut again often does the trick. And that's it. Open your sheet, click the cell you want, press the shortcut for your device, and the current time drops right in, fast, clean, and consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with this simple move.